are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system, power windows, brake assist, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.